We have teams here.
Yep. They're landing in the hangar to the left.
Hangar 2, yeah, yeah.
One's right
In front of you, in front of you, in front of you, yeah, yeah.
He has no armor.
Downed him.
This boy might be running over to us. He is.
Popping UAV.
Yep, good one.
I'm healing up. Careful, dude. You're by yourself.
I know. Let's push these guys. Can I get that armor plate? Oh, no, you need it. You need it. They're on the roof to our right. Let's not even challenge that, to be honest. Oh, one's right in front of us. Down. Full killed him. There's people in this building right here as well, I think, dude.
Here I go. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Hostile dropping into the area? What the fuck? It's calling them out for us. I got one. Dude, what? It calls people out in the air now. What the fuck? In front of me up here?
Careful. You wanna kill him?
I downed him. Could be more people to my left.
They're rezzing.
No, they're not. He's dead.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Full
he
kill?
just died. No, like he was crawling, but he died.
You see him?
Yeah, whole team up here.
Oh.
Up here in the tent to my left.
Oh, on me.
I got this one, dude. He has guns. Watch out.
Beat them down or capture the objective.
Was that a full kill? I didn't know.
I want my gulag.
Yeah.
Yep, Ninja's down.
Good.
He still has a gulag.
Yeah, he does. Oh, behind us.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag.
I'm getting in. I'm going to the right of pool, okay? Probably a whole team here. Yeah, they precision airstrike.
I cracked someone with my mine.
Gas is closing.
Where was it?
Get to the new safe zone.
In storage.
Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Do you know where?
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
They're tripling up.
Right on me. One shot. Dead. Full dead. Full dead.
Are you sure it's full dead?
Yep, full dead. Did you loot that other guy? Here, buy UAV. Buy UAV. I don't see your mark. Low?
Top of airport.
Top?
Yeah, yeah. It's right there.
So parking garage up top.
He's rezzing right now.
I'm behind him. I'm behind these guys.
Fuck, I'm missing I'm just whiffing. Got him. Full kill. There might be more though. There might be more. There might be more. Oh, yeah, he's flying. He's flying. He's flying in. People on you?
Yeah, one more.
He's on the car. He's in the middle of the car on my mark. You see him?
Up at the buy downed.
One more.
Dead.
Nice.
They full died.
Good. How much money we got?
I have enough to buy a self-revive and a UAV, I do believe. Oh, drop me your money. I have enough to buy both. They're rotating out the back. I'm going to try to third-party this.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Oh, big teams.
I down one in here.
Careful, buddy.
I'm down two. One more down here.
Yeah.
He's gonna try reviving his boy, probably. Yep, he did. Oh, fuck.
There.
Downed him. He's back door.
Big.
In the bottom of this building. He's in the middle of the road out here. Right here. More in that building, I think.
Yeah.
We have to go.
All dead. Oh, shit. From behind me. Don't res him. Do not res him. Do not res him. Not safe. Just don't res
he's
him.
on the roof.
Play yourself. Yeah. Maybe I am safe. I don't know.
Crawl to me. Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna. There's no way.
No, we're good. I downed one.
Come with me.
Good.
Alright, let's push to the bottom of the building. Let's go. Up here to the right. On the roof to the right.
Here I go.
I'm trying to get this guy's plates. Oh, nope.
I have 3 plates for you. You need plates?
Yep.
Get in here.
You've got gas.
I don't know if I can buy here.
Down one up there. I got 1 kill. The other one's 1 shot up there.
Good.
Going for these guys in the graveyard.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTV for resupply. Gas is closing in.
He's flying off. He's flying off.
You got that, brother?
Both flying off in front of me. Both flying off in
I
front of
killed
me.
one. I killed one. I'm already on another team.
Am I blind? What
They're up here. This other team's up here.
Here I go.
No, 2 flew off the building.
Yeah, I know.
I see him.
2 kids in this building.
Move it.
Yeah, I'm getting shot.
Got them both.
Cracked one. I just want to make sure we're good to go.
Yeah, on me. On me at this wall up here.
Coming.
Gas is inbound.
Careful.
There's 2. I'm healing.
All right.
They're fighting each other, I think. There was a
coming.
team in the left of Boneyard as well.
Not safe. Be ready to fight.
Yeah. I see him.
I'm taking fire.
Downed him.
People to my right at the buy as well.
Allied precision airstrike incoming. Be
At the,
aware.
did you? Where'd you?
He got rezzed.
People to the right, Ty. They're gonna be pushing, I think. I don't know where
I
they
see
went.
these guys here. Right here. Right here.
Heading this way.
Right here on my mark. 2 of them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push
I
it from this angle.
Okay, I kind of have to watch my right for now, brother. Hold on.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
safe.
yeah,
Just
they're
play
pushing me.
yourself,
They're
play
pushing me.
yourself.
One's right here.
Here I go.
Gas is inbound.
Play yourself. Play yourself. Play yourself.
Yep. He's in the bottom of that building.
Going there.
I'm gonna push from this angle right here.
10 to go. Keep fighting.
Oh no!
I got a Kindle snake shotted. He's 1 shot. Self-reviving.
Oh no!
It's all up to you now.
They're right there. Play it.
Gas is closing in.
They have 16.
I'm still alive.
Big. To your left there, yeah. Big. Right there. See him.
5 remain. Stay alert.
You're fucking nuts.
Enemy UAV overhead.
You hear him? Yeah.
No targets remain. You earned the win.
What a win, baby! What a
Let's
win,
fucking
baby!
get it,
That's
baby!
how you play, Ty.
Let's fucking get it, Ty!
That's how you play, baby. 32,
Let's get it, baby!
16. 32-16, baby.
Woo, 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 woo. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it, boys.
Bro, we play that fucking beautifully together.
That was phenomenal, bro. That was absolutely phenomenal. We're up 32-16. No, we didn't win
I
yet.
can't see myself. It's so weird.
Let's get it, baby.
Let's hit it, baby.
Let's get it, baby.
Let's
Oh,
do
they
it.
bet. Yeah, they're going for a super landing. Oh boy, this is where they lose all the full.
They
All right,
either
our
lose
same
or they-
shit, bro.
they
Our
hit
same
hard.
shit. Our same shit, bro. I don't see anything top firehouse tower.
Yeah, I see nothing either yet.
Oh, in the helicopter.
Right here. Yep.
I downed him.
Nice.
Dead. On top of firehouse. Downed outside of it. Going for the full on him as well. More people here. Oh shit, that's you.
I got shot from the right.
That was me. Yeah, work over here with me. Come on.
Oh, coming. Oh, that's game.
Alright, let's win this shit. Come on.
Well, GG's.
2 people on that roof.
I'll go
Yeah,
this way.
flying in right now.
What?
Gone.
Down 1.
Nice. Cracked him once. I'm gonna push that.
Yep, let's go. I have an airstrike.
Yeah, you should airstrike it actually.
That's the target.
Keep them busy.
Hit them now.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy.
Yep.
Back inbound.
Let's finish it out so we can
It's a good warm up.
not be embarrassed. Yeah.
Shots missed.
I think there's 3 in here. I have a C4.
It's a bounty, yeah. Yeah,
How?
they're all
Alright, bust open the door.
they're there.
Down 2. Oh, last guy in there. C4. Dude, I got lit on fire. Watch out, he has a Kimbos.
Go. Go.
Yeah, you have to get me if you're gonna get me. Just pay your 1. Just pay your 1, actually. The other team has a good first game.
Beat them down. They'll capture the objective.
I fucking hate this shotgun, by the way.
Alright, I'm sorry, on my body. Between the building and
Yeah.
police. Yeah. That's big, bro. Big win first round.
Dude, good shit.
My first gulag. Oh, fuck.
Friendly drop back out the way. Enemy UAV overhead.
Woo!
Teammate has been cleared
People on me
for
still.
redeployment.
I'm shooting at this
Coming.
team that downed you.
Yep. There's a loadout drop back here. I'm gonna go grab that.
Yeah, I'm on my gun. I have my guns.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe.
I just got fucking gas grenaded, bro.
Oh, shit.
Nah, bro. No, I do have a laser. Sometimes it's a visual glitch where you can't see the tac laser, but I have it on.
It's already one, so.
Just try to get him before he heals. Yep, you see him. You see him. To your right in the door. Oh,
Oh,
good try.
my gosh. I
Good
cracked him, too.
Oh, good. Were you party leader
Yeah.
of that?
Yeah.
Alright,
5-2.
Graphic settings. I play
Alright,
on
so first
Tritanopia
game,
colorblind,
let's
my
see
man.
here.
Doc said GG's, dude. Tell Doc and Ninja I both said good games, man. We ran into them a few times now,
so-
dude. It's always a pleasure, man. Always a
What do we got
pleasure.
here?
They are
Let's see
absolute
times.
fucking units, man.
So-
Absolute fucking units. I appreciate you guys all coming over from their streams as well, man.